Hello, my name is Lily. I am a student in this cooking class.
Hi, Lily. I am Tom. It is nice to meet you here.
Is this your first time at a masterclass? I am a bit nervous.
No, it is my second time. Please do not be nervous. It is fun.
What are we making today? I see a lot of flour on the table.
We are making fresh Italian pasta. It is very delicious and simple.
Do we have all the ingredients? I see flour and some eggs.
Yes, we have everything we need. We also have some salt and water.
How many eggs do I need for my flour? My bowl is quite big.
You need 2 eggs for that amount of flour. I can help you.
Thank you, Tom. Should I break the eggs into the flour now?
Yes, make a small hole in the flour first, then put the eggs inside.
Like a small volcano? That looks very interesting.
Exactly like a volcano. Now, use your fork to mix them slowly.
My hands are getting a bit dirty. Is that normal for pasta?
Yes, it is very normal. You must use your hands to make good dough.
The flour is very soft. I like the feeling of it.
It is high-quality flour from Italy. That is why it feels so good.
Do I need to add any oil to this mix? I see a bottle of olive oil.
No, we use the oil later for the sauce. Now we only use eggs.
Okay, I'm mixing it now. It is becoming very yellow.
That is because the eggs are very fresh. Fresh eggs make better pasta.
My dough is a bit dry. Should I add something to it?
You can add 1 spoon of water. I have a bottle right here.
Thank you for the water. Now the dough is much better.
You are doing a great job. Your dough looks very professional.
I'm happy to hear that. Cooking is like a science.
It is science and art at the same time. You will see.
What is the next step? Do we wait for the dough?
Yes, we must wait 10 minutes. Let's clean the table now.
The 10 minutes are over. Is the dough ready now?
Yes, it is perfect. It is very firm and smooth.
Now we need to make it flat. Do we use a rolling pin?
We can use a rolling pin or the machine. The machine is faster.
I want to try the machine. It looks very shiny and cool.
I will hold the dough for you. You can turn the handle slowly.
Like this? I am turning it now. The dough is moving.
Perfect, Lily. It is becoming a very long and thin sheet.
It is so long now. It looks like a giant scarf.
We need to make it even thinner. Let's change the machine setting.
Now it is very thin. Can we see through it?
Almost. That is the secret of good Italian pasta.
What do we do with this long sheet now? Do we cut it?
Yes, we can make spaghetti or fettuccine. Which one do you like?
I like spaghetti. It is my favorite type of pasta.
Then we use this part of the machine. It has many small teeth.
It looks like it will cut the dough into many strings.
Watch me first. I put the dough inside and turn the handle.
Oh, look at that! Beautiful spaghetti is coming out.
Now it's your turn. I will catch the pasta for you.
I am turning the handle. This is very exciting to watch.
You are a natural at this. The spaghetti is very straight.
Where should I put the finished pasta? On this wooden tray?
Yes, put some flour on the tray first. Then it will not stick.
Good idea. I don't want my pasta to become one big ball.
We have a lot of spaghetti now. It is enough for 4 people.
My family will be very happy if I make this at home.
You can invite them for dinner this weekend. You are a chef now.
Not yet, Tom. We still need to cook the sauce.
You are right. Let's go to the stove now.
What ingredients do we have for the sauce? I see tomatoes.
We have red tomatoes, garlic, and some fresh basil.
I love the smell of fresh basil. It is very aromatic.
It is the best herb for tomato sauce. It smells like summer.
Do I need to cut the garlic into small pieces?
Yes, very small pieces. Be careful with the knife, it is sharp.
I am cutting it slowly. 1, 2, 3 pieces.
That is perfect. Now we put some olive oil in the pan.
How much oil do we need? Just a little bit?
2 spoons of oil is enough. The pan is getting hot.
I can hear the oil. Should I put the garlic inside now?
Yes, put the garlic in, but do not burn it, please.
It smells amazing already. I'm getting very hungry.
Now we add the tomatoes. I already peeled them for you.
Thank you, Tom. You are very helpful today.
I like helping people. Cooking is better with a friend.
Should I use a spoon to mash the tomatoes in the pan?
Yes, use the wooden spoon. Mash them until the sauce is smooth.
The sauce is bubbling now. It is a very bright red color.
We need to add some salt and black pepper now.
I have the salt here. And where is the pepper?
The pepper is in the small black jar behind you.
I found it. I am adding a little bit of pepper now.
Now we wait 5 minutes for the sauce to cook.
Should we put the basil in the sauce now or later?
We put the basil at the very end. That way it stays green.
That is a good tip. I want my pasta to look beautiful.
It will look like a photo in a cooking magazine.
I hope the taste is as good as the smell.
I am sure it will be. We are a great team.
The big pot of water is boiling now. Look at the bubbles.
Now we must add a lot of salt to the water.
Why do we need a lot of salt? Is it not too much?
No, the water must taste like the sea. It gives flavor to the pasta.
Okay, I am adding the salt. The water is very white now.
Now we put our fresh spaghetti into the boiling water.
How long do we cook fresh pasta? Is it 10 minutes?
No, fresh pasta is very fast. It only needs 3 minutes.
Only 3 minutes? That is very quick compared to dry pasta.
Yes, because it is fresh and soft already. Watch the clock.
I am watching. 1 minute is gone. The pasta is moving.
Use these tongs to move the pasta gently in the water.
They are very long tongs. I feel like a professional chef.
You look like one, Lily. You have flour on your nose.
Oh no! Thank you for telling me, Tom.
2 minutes are gone. The pasta is almost ready now.
It is rising to the top of the water. Is that a sign?
Yes, when it floats, it is usually finished. Let's try one piece.
It is very hot, but it is soft and delicious.
It is al dente. That means it is perfect to eat.
Should I pour the water out into the sink now?
Yes, but keep a little bit of pasta water in a cup.
Why do we need the pasta water? Is it for the sauce?
Yes, it helps the sauce stick to the spaghetti.
That is a very smart secret. I will remember that.
Now put the pasta into the pan with the tomato sauce.
I am mixing them together. The red sauce covers every string.
It looks fantastic. Now add the fresh basil leaves.
I am tearing the leaves with my hands. It smells so fresh.
Our dish is finished. Let's put it on the plates.
Wait, Tom. I want to add a little more salt to the top.
Okay, the salt is in that small white bowl on the shelf.
This one? It looks very white and fine.
Let me see. Wait, do not put it on the pasta yet.
What is wrong? Is it not salt? It looks like it.
No, Lily, that is sugar for the dessert.
Oh my God, I almost put sugar on our tomato pasta.
That would be a very strange Italian dinner.
I am so sorry. The bowls look exactly the same.
It is okay. Many people make this mistake in the kitchen.
Where is the real salt? I need to be sure this time.
The salt is in the jar with the blue lid. Look over there.
I see it now. I will taste it first to be safe.
Is it salty or sweet? What does your tongue say?
Yes, this is definitely salt. My pasta is safe now.
Good. Always taste your ingredients before you use them.
That is a very important lesson for a beginner like me.
Even professional chefs taste everything many times.
Do we have any cheese for the top? I like Parmesan.
Yes, we have a big piece of Parmesan cheese and a grater.
Can I grate the cheese? I like a lot of cheese.
Of course, grate as much as you want. It is your dish.
It looks like snow on top of a red mountain.
That is a very beautiful description, Lily.
I think the plates are ready now. They look perfect.
We also have some napkins and forks on the other table.
I will go and get them. I'm so excited to eat.
I will bring the plates. Be careful, they are a bit heavy.
I can't believe we made this from just flour and eggs.
That is the magic of cooking. Simple things become great.
Finally, we are sitting down. The pasta looks incredible.
It smells like a real Italian restaurant in here.
Thank you for helping me today, Tom. You are a great teacher.
You are a great student, Lily. You learned very fast.
Let's try the pasta. I am very curious about the taste.
Wow, this is really good. The pasta is very soft.
The sauce is a bit spicy, but very fresh.
The basil makes a big difference. It is very aromatic.
I am so happy. This is the best pasta I ever had.
It is better because we made it with our own hands.
I will definitely make this for my friends next week.
They will think you're a professional Italian chef.
I will tell them I had a very good assistant named Tom.
I am happy to be your assistant anytime.
Do you want to go to the next masterclass together?
Yes, I want to learn how to make French desserts.
That sounds difficult, but very tasty. I love chocolate.
Then we can make a chocolate cake next time.
I need to practice more with the salt and sugar jars.
Don't worry, I will be there to check the labels for you.
We finished all the pasta. The plates are empty.
That is the best compliment for a cook. Empty plates are good.
I feel very full and very happy now.
Me too. It was a perfect afternoon in the kitchen.
Let's help the teacher clean the dishes now.
Good idea. We are responsible students as well.
I will take the glasses and you can take the pans.
It's a deal. Let's finish the work together.
See you at the next class, Tom.
See you soon, Lily. Have a great evening.